how to link your intelligent access key with the memory seats, power mirrors, and steering column on a 2009 Lincoln MKS. Okay, so as you know, with the Lincoln MKS, we have the memory function. As you can see here, there's a 1 and there's a 2. So it has a seat symbol. So if you set it up as if you like one, if you're like the spouse of someone, like the husband will be 1 or the woman will be 2 or vice versa, whatever, whoever's driving the car, you can set the car to go to the exact position that you want by pressing the intelligent access key. So once you press unlock, your seats will go to the desired position, and the steering column and the side mirrors. So this is a great feature on the Lincoln MKS. As you can see, if you were to manually adjust it, you would have to use this telescoping switch there. But with Lincoln, you can get it all done in one button. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do to get this to work is to activate this feature for the memory function with the intelligence access key. We're going to position the seat, the mirrors, and the steering column to the desired position. So currently I already have my mirrors set the way I like it, and I have the seat to the desired position and my steering column. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is press and hold either the 1 or the 2 control on the driver's door for 5 seconds. Okay, so a tone will be heard after about 1.5 seconds when the memory store is done, but I have to continue to hold until a second tone is heard after 5 seconds. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's see if you can hear it. That's the first one. That's the second one. All right, within 3 seconds I have to press the lock on the transmitter. All right, I don't think I did that in time, so let's do it again. All right, this is unlock, this is lock. Let's do it again. All right, 1, 2, and that should complete the linkage of the intelligent access key for the 2009 Lincoln MKS with the memory seats, power mirrors, and the steering columns. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will respond to you. Thank you.